coming. There you go.
But you can put.
Yeah, there's a ton of room in there for sure.
Shore power, you have the plug in here to plug in these batteries, and the back there's a charger behind here, another charger there.
Cool.
We have our first repairs aboard the Kraken. What you working on?
I'm just taking stuff apart, you know, whatever that doesn't belong anywhere, I guess.
Things that we have no idea what they
I
are
don't know
yet.
what this is, but I'm taking it off, so that's...
It was barely hanging on anyways. The thing about buying a used boat.
I'm just taping this connection up. Cool, and then look at this. This is the horn. So we'll figure out where to put the horn.
The zip ties.
And yeah, that's the horn. We need a trash pile.
Alright. Let's see what we can find for a trash can. The dog wants to come up here. Let's see.
Seriously?
I don't know. I'm just scared to start cutting stuff, but you know what you're doing. No? Okay. I'm leaving you.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got gloves.
Yeah, maybe we start throwing shit off the boat.
Well, she's just gonna eat whatever you throw off. All right, so we bought a boat. This is our new 1999 Armstrong Marine commercial fishing boat. We're starting to do some work on it, clean it up.
I don't want to turn on the batteries at all, so I'm gonna start pulling all this out towards you.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Yeah, there's lots of leftover things. So I'll have to go through, yeah, see what are treasures, what are trash. But lots of things we can use already.
Oh, shit.
What? No. The toilet? Oh, I don't want their toilet. I think we can afford our own bucket.
Yeah. Hopefully no.
What else did you find? Oh.
Here's that pump.
I'm assuming all these reels probably need a little fixing, but...
No, broken.
Whoa.
This is very hard to sleep in here, though, bro. I don't think you can sleep in here. Here you go.
Oh, that one looks potential.
Look at this one.
Wow. Oh, an extra railing.
Yeah,
Oh, for the roof.
The roof, yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we want to put railings back up on the roof so we can put our crab pots up there. Wow, lots of reels. What?
This fucker is filled with reels and weights.
No way.
Yeah. I
Here.
just don't know how to get it up. We hit the jackpot.
That bucket?
Yeah, that bucket. Let me see. I think we gotta take the battery out. Oh yeah, this comes off. Oh yeah.
Oh. All right.
Get to that buck like, oh my god, that's a whole ass tool. Look.
Oh, wow.
Jackpot, jackpot. Okay,
Eat.
here you go. Holy shit!
Oh, hell yeah.
That's insane. I don't know if you can. There it is.
Oh my god, the bucket's gonna break.
It's gonna break. I'm surprised it didn't break yet.
Please don't break. All right. I think that makes 10 reels. I cannot believe this is our boat. It's huge. And this is what we were fishing on. So it's about the same size as me. This I want to go through. Oh my god, that was so heavy. Oh. Nice. All right, another cool bucket. Swim baits.
Whoa.
Use them, melt them back down, make new ones.
Clean up the rust spots. It's all from this anchor right here, but it looks good.
So I'm definitely gonna have to scrub the walls here. So I'm gonna move all these leftover rockfish jigs. No, because I think he said the CB radio is in here. So what are you doing over there? I think she likes it. She'll be comfortable in here. I have all these jigs.
Short there, From the center,
You want to come up here? It's a little dangerous. When we're in the water, you can come up here. She's crazy. All right, we're gonna replace the bottom floor mats. Let's see. And then covering this up will really make the inside look nice. So I was about to start cleaning the floor, and I thought I would see what's in these hatches. And we have this very interesting substance covering this hose. So I'm definitely gonna let it air out a little bit and see what we should do. We also have a lot of treasures in here to go through. If you guys are ever in the Brookings area, definitely check out Brookings Fishing. So this is what we are looking like after our first day cleaning up our new 1999 28-foot Armstrong Marine commercial fishing vessel. So I definitely want to refinish this area. I'm thinking of leveling it all out, shaving it down, and then I guess carpeting it up there, unless anyone else has some better ideas. We definitely still have a lot of work to do, so follow us if you'd like to see more, and hopefully you'll be there for our first fishing trip out there. Check out Brookings Fishing if you ever need to book a cool charter in the Oregon area, and also you can buy any of our merch at islandbaittackle.com, and we'll see you out there.